So very good afternoon student. Today we are going to discuss about history second lesson, the Mughal Empire, one words. First Roman letter, choose the correct answers. First one, who introduced the Persian style of architecture in India? Again I read, who introduced the Persian style of architecture in India? The answer is Babur. Second one, in which battle did Akbar defeated Rana Pratap? In which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap? What is the answer? Haldi Qadi. What is the name? Haldi Qadi. And third one, whose palaces in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? Whose palace in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? What is the answer? Humayun. What is the name? Humayun. And fourth one, who introduced Man Safari system? What is the name? Man Safari system. The answer is Akbar. And fifth one, who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Who was the revenue minister of Akbar? The answer is Raja Tondarmal. What is the name? Raja Tondarmal. The next letter, fill in the blanks. The first one, Dash was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap. Dash was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap. The answer is Chetak. And second one, Dash was the hall at Feathersigiri where scholars of all religions met for the discourses. What is the name? Ibata Khan. What is the name? Ibata Khan. What is the name? Ibata Khan. And third one, the Sufi saint who received Akbar's utmost respect was Salim Christi. What is the name? Salim Christi. And fourth one, during the religion of Dash, the Sufi system was extended to the Deccan province Shahjahan. What is the person name? Shahjahan. And fifth one, Dash were tax-free lands given to scholars and religious institutions. Suryakal. What is the name? Suryakal. What is the name? Suryakal. And next, match the next Roman letter, match the following. The question, Babur and Durgavati, Rana Sanda Babi and Dil Ilhani, Raja Mansingh. The Babur means another Sandarai. What is the name? Sandari. And Durgavati means central province. Correct answer, central province. Rana Sanda Bibi, Ahmednagar. What is the place? Ahmednagar. Dil Ilhani is Akbar. And Raja Mansingh. What is the correct answer? Jaipur. Next is the true or false. Babur inherited Fargana, a small kingdom in Central Asia. Is it true or not? True. And Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1565. Is correct? No, sir, wrong. And the Aurangzeb married the girl of notable Rajput family. Is correct? No. Who is the married the Akbar, son of who is that? Jahangir. Jahangir ordered execution of the Sikh leader Guru Arjan for helping his son Hursh. What is the helping his son? Hursh. Is the correct? Yes, true. During Aurangzeb religion, architecture received much patronage. Is correct? No, he won't give anything, sir. So this is the false. Next, Roman letter fifth. Consider the following statement is apparent answer. First one, the British established their first factory at Surat. The reason Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. Both the statements will be correct. So, or is correct explanation of A. And next one, Aurangzeb's intolerance towards the other religion made him unpopular among the people. And next reason, Aurangzeb reimposed the Jaisa and pilgrim tax on the Hindus. These two will be correct. So, or is correct explanation of A. And find out the correct statement. Kamaran was the son of the Afghan noble Qasim Suri, ruler of the Sarsaram in Bihar. And second one, Akbar abolished the Jaisa poll tax on non-Muslim and the tax on Hindu pilgrims. Aurangzeb ascended the throne after killing his three brothers. Prince Akbar entered into the pact with Shivaji's son Sambhaji in the Deccan. Which are all correct answers? The second one is the Akbar abolished. So what is the tax? Jaisa poll tax and non-Muslim is the correct. And next third one is the Aurangzeb ascended throne after killing three brothers is correct also. And fourth, Prince Akbar entered into the fact with another Shivaji's son Sambhaji in the Deccan. So this second, third and fourth will be correct. Fourth one, arrange the battle in the chronicle order. Battle of Kanwa, Battle of Sausa, Battle of Kanuj and Battle of Sandarai. Okay, what is the first battle? Battle of Kanwa, Battle of Kanwa 1527, Battle of Sandarai 1528, Battle of Sausa 1539, Battle of Kanuj 1540. And fifth one, arrange the following administrative division in descending order. Sarkar, Farganas and Subas. What is the first answer? Subas, Sarkar and another Farganas. What is the name? Farganas. So understood, student? So read up to this Roman letters. Thank you, student.